Today, we're breaking down the best gig apps to make money in 2025, ranked from worst to best. And you're gonna wanna stick around to the end because the number one app is a breadwinner. If you ain't using it, you're leaving serious money on the table. Let's get into it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Hit the like button and subscribe button below, because I already know you're gonna like this. Starting out the list, coming in number 6 is Instacart. Now, some folks still make decent money with this app, but in 2025, it's just not worth the hassle in most places. And here's why. Too much shopping time. You're running around grocery stores instead of making quick drop-offs. Also, low-paying batches. Unless you're a top shopper, a lot of orders just aren't worth it. Another issue, tip baiting. Even with the transparency, you still get burned. If you love grocery shopping and have a good market, you can make it work. But for most people, Instacart just isn't worth it anymore. The payouts are just too small. Next up, at number 5, we got Amazon Flex. It's solid when you can get blocks, but that's the problem. It's hard to get a shift. Blocks fill up fast, and you gotta be ready every second of every drop. Some of the issues, heavy packages. Not everyone wants to pick up big boxes all day. Another issue, traffic. Traffic can kill your earnings. One bad route and suddenly your shift isn't worth it. Amazon Flex is a great side hustle, but if you're looking for something more consistent, there are better options ahead. Next up, coming in at number 4, we got TaskRabbit. This one is slept on, but it's not for everybody. Here's some of the benefits. High-paying gigs. If you got a skill, you can charge $40 to $100 per hour for each job. Another benefit, no middleman. No middleman taking huge cuts, unlike some of the other apps. You set your own rate. But with this app, you need a skill. You can assemble furniture or do handyman work. It's not for you. Also, finding clients take time. You're not guaranteed jobs on apps like these. So, if you got a skill, TaskRabbit can be a gold mine. But if you just want fast and easy money, I got better options ahead. If you're getting value from this video, hit the subscribe and like button below. Greatly appreciate it. At number 3, we're switching it up. I'm giving you 2. We got Fiverr and Upwork, the king of online freelancing. If you want to make money without leaving your house, these 2 are your best option. With AI and digital services booming, people pay big for help with ChatGPT prompts, video editing, and social media content. Another benefit for you while making money in your sleep is selling digital products and earning money passively. But there's always a catch. It takes time to build up. If you're just starting out, it can take weeks, months to get consistent orders. Another issue is it's a competitive market. You gotta stand out to charge premium rates. If you're willing to grind and start fast, Fiverr and Upwork can be very profitable. Next up, at number 2, we got Uber Eats, the best backup app for making quick money in 2025. Some of the benefits, trip stacking equals more money, stacking deliveries for a high earning per hour. Another benefit, better surge pricing. Surges are actually worth it now, so strategies matter. Another perk, Uber Pro perk. If you do rideshare too, you can get extra bonuses. Uber Eats is not always the best paying app. You can be consistent with Uber Eats. Next up, last but not least, You already know. DoorDash is still king of gig apps in 2025. Here's why. Number one, the highest peak pay bonuses. They raise the incentive pay in the highest demand areas. Another benefit, milestone reward perks. Loyal Dashers get better orders, better pay, and exclusive bonuses. No other gig app has the flexibility, earnings, potential, and consistency as DoorDash in 2025. If you're serious about gig work, this is the app you need to work. I know DoorDash isn't the best for all of us, but still, it is the most consistent, and you can make profits working on DoorDash. So, which gig app is best for you? So here's the final ranking. Number 6, Instacart. Too much effort, not enough money. Number 5, Amazon Flex. Decent money, but inconsistent. Number 4, TaskRabbit. Great for skilled work, but it's a niche. Number 3, Fiverr and Upwork. Passive income potential, but slow start. Number 2, Uber Eats, the best backup app for 2025. And number 1, DoorDash is still the best gig app in 2025. What is your go-to gig app in 2025? Let's talk about it. And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on those notifications for more money-making content that's coming your way. In other words, it's been real, and I'm your boy AD. I'm out. Peace.